me, Madison. Welcome back to another video. Today I have another contact video for you because I love contacts. Today TTDEYE actually sent me some contacts to review, and I'm not sure if they're out yet, their new collection, but yeah, I'll show you guys them. So first of all, can we talk about how cute this box is? I love it. And then when you open it, you see this stuff, which are some stickers, which are like literal cutest. I love it. And then I have this little card that says TTDEYE, hello. And oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, so I'll do the extras first because they sent a few. They sent me this little thing of glitter, which is always, you can use it for makeup and just like put it in a look. They sent me this little mirror. And they have literally the cutest packaging. I died. And it's like a little mirror and it says TTDEYE. And I love it. It's so cute. Okay. And then they sent me these temporary tattoos and they're little flowers. I love them already. And then they send, of course, the cases and they just say TTDEYE. And it comes with the case and then the tweezy things and then the little suction cup thing to help take them out. And then the favorite part, their packaging, I love. First of all, can we talk about how good they package this? And can we talk about how freaking cute all this is? Can you get my contact lens solution? They're so cute. I love. So here I'll do these first. So first you have the little green packaging. And it's so freaking cute. I am obsessed. And then they come in little contact containers. These are called, so basically, if you haven't guessed it, the color of the box is the color of the contact. So yes, we have a pink box and a yellow box. Okay, so I'm gonna use my contact lens solution. I just got a big bottle of this because I use it so much. So I'm gonna put some in here. I recommend rinsing your contacts, so just putting them in the container with your contact lens solution. And that squirted. Okay, so now that they sat in there for a little bit, I'm gonna put them in. If I can grab it. Whoa. So here's what they look like without the flash. And then we'll put the flash on. I love these. That's my regular eye. That's the contact. I'm obsessed. I feel like I can see better than these out of my other contacts. It's kind of weird. So I couldn't find the name of these, but if I find it in their website, I'll link it down below. So here's the pink box, and look how cute. I love. I'm actually very excited to see how these look. I'm gonna put the pink contacts in. I'm hoping these don't look too weird. I'm nervous. Ooh. They don't look bad. They look real, don't they? It looks like a weird kind of brown, huh? Yeah. And here's what they look like. Very, very cute. I love. So now we're going to do the yellow box. So cute. Oh, you're already filling it up for me. So now we're going to do the yellow one. Ooh. Doink. This is their new flower collection, right? So here's what they look like. So I'm gonna put the blue ones in now. Oh, I like these. They're like a deep blue. And then here's the difference. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely will be buying from TTDEYE again because I love their contacts. I'll be ordering from them very soon. So yeah, I have a coupon code for 10% off. It's MZZ. And yeah, I'll leave all their links down below if you guys want to go purchase them. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!